What is up, everyone?
Hey guys, how you doing?
Welcome back to our vlog channel. Today we have such beautiful weather, it is just insane.
Yeah, finally. It's going to be weird because so much of the content we filmed on our newer projects was in the winter.
Yeah.
And that's not going to be released for a few months yet.
Yeah.
But today, it's a nice day. And we're planning to go out on our skateboards, aren't we?
I'm so excited. We haven't been out on our skateboards since like last year.
Yeah. So
that's been a while.
Really excited to do that. And we're in the van because we want to see what we got to do. We want to check the electrical capabilities today.
Yep.
We want to check we can charge the skateboards from the solar panels.
Yeah, that's really important because, I mean, when we eventually travel in this van, we want to be able to take our skateboards with us so we can get around really easily.
Yeah, and keep them charging. Unfortunately, this panel dropped off. It wasn't actually screwed in. It's on the floor there. Floor now. But that was never screwed in.
Still got to finish it. There's a lot of things we have to finish.
But anyway, let's go inside because the skateboards we originally got, I don't know if you remember, we purchased them from Evolve Skateboards about 4 or 5 years ago. Yeah. But we've just had some new ones.
Alright guys, so here they are. I am so excited to unbox them.
Yeah, so actually this one here with the white front is a GTR, the carbon version.
This is my one, isn't it?
This is going to be yours. So about 4 or 5 years ago, we actually bought 2 of these. Yeah. So this is the newer model, basically. Yeah, ours are getting a little bit old. And then this one is the new one.
This is your one, isn't it?
Yeah, that's also a carbon series, but this is a Hadian.
So this is their new one, isn't it?
Their new one with more range, more power. But I'll talk about that more in a minute. So, do you want to open yours?
Yeah, let's
so you open mine, I'll open yours.
Alright. So the reason why I went for this one is because I don't quite need as much like power because I'm obviously a lot lighter than you.
Well, this is still really powerful. You wouldn't even put that in the fastest setting.
No, I wouldn't.
First of all, look at that, like, oh, that's cool. So I can see some improvements already.
Oh, wow.
Like, your old one, the grip part didn't go right to the edge, so it was a little bit slippery. So that's really good. And also I can see the carbon's all matte now, which is nice.
Oh, it looks so nice.
Yeah, that's cool.
I love that. Okay, let's see yours.
So this one should be a little bit bigger.
Oh yeah, this one's wider because you've got bigger feet.
That's the reason, because I got bigger feet.
Yeah, that is the reason.
Okay, so yeah, it looks pretty much very similar, but it's definitely wider.
Yeah, so lengthwise it's the same, it's just wider that way, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that's so much better for a size 12.
That's what I'm saying. For me and my little feet, this one's fine, but if you've got larger feet, definitely go for this one.
So this is the side-by-side of them. It's a little bit wider. Yeah. But I think this one's 6,000 watts motors, this one's 3,000, so there's quite a big difference there.
So mine can go 22 miles an hour and it's got 19 miles of range, which is so good.
Yeah, but the new one goes 26 miles per hour, and that's got 25 miles of range. But this is with the all-terrain tyres, they go a lot quicker.
Yeah,
with the street tyres.
Because this goes so fast, you're definitely going to need a helmet. I mean, you should be wearing a helmet anyway.
So well, we never used to.
I know, it's so bad. We got these from the brand called 1000, and they've got like really cool, like vintage looking helmets. So I think this one's mine. Is this the small?
I don't know. I haven't actually opened these yet.
Oh, they look so cool. Hang on, how do I open this? Oh my gosh, I love it.
That's cool.
That is
stealthy
a cool
matte
helmet.
Black.
Yeah, so these are from the brand 1000, like I said. I don't know how to open this. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Alright guys, so the skateboards are in the back of the van and they literally fit so perfectly, don't they?
Yeah, I think what we'll do is we'll have a rack like under the bed so they'll be up high so you can put storage underneath and they won't roll around then. Yeah. But first of all, I don't think we've talked about the electrical system much in our van, or we have, but we haven't shown it working. Yeah. So first of all, I've just turned on the main switch. So the batteries are all connected now. And it comes up in the My Renogy at 30% battery, right?
Yeah, 28.
28% battery in all these batteries, so it's been winter, haven't actually been charging them. So that's basically these batteries all connected, coming to this main switch, going to this Bluetooth controller, tells me how much I've got. I'm now going to turn on the double pole isolator for the solar and the breaker for the charge controller. So what happens now is go to another app where it suddenly appears and it's quite sunny, so
Yeah, we should be getting enough solar power, right?
That's not bad. 135 watts and changing.
Yep.
So that's 190 watts at one point. So the battery in the battery app is now charged, and it says how many hours it will take to charge. But more importantly, let's see if we can charge these skateboards.
Yeah, let's plug them in. Okay, moment of truth.
Let's turn the inverter on right here. And I think I have to push the button here.
Oh.
Okay.
Yeah, it's on.
They're charging?
Yeah.
They're both charging.
They're both charging.
That's
Woohoo!
pretty good. What are they drawing?
That's like the first time we've actually properly tested something like this.
Okay, so with the solar, the total is we do have more energy going out than coming in at the moment. But only a tiny bit, like 1 amp. So
that's good.
Yeah, so that's really good.
Wow, we can travel now with these. Well, we got to finish the van first, but
Yeah, but now it's sunny, we are going to finish this within the next couple of months.
Yeah, hopefully. I really want to test them out on the road though, so I guess we'll let them charge in the van whilst we drive to Milton Keynes to our favourite lake, and then we can try them out. It's Roxy and Matt from the future. We just quickly wanted to jump on here and let you guys know that today's video is actually sponsored by Skillshare, which we're very excited about. If you guys didn't know what Skillshare is, it's basically a platform where you can learn a bunch of different skills from loads of different classes, and literally they have like every topic under the moon.
So it's like an online platform, and we recently tried it for the first time.
Yeah.
I think you guys know about us that we just love learning new skills, especially in our DIY, photography, all this stuff. We just like love learning new things.
Yeah, I think it's so important to like learn new skills through life and just be really open-minded about it.
Yeah, so I recently took a drone videography class by Brian Garcia, and Roxy's been taking some piano classes.
I've been pianoing away.
You've tried to learn for a while, but you've been
Yeah.
taking some actual classes.
Yeah,
now,
it feels so good to like learn a new part of the song because I always play like the same one song.
Yeah, and also like a lot of people always ask me in videos, how do we edit like that, or how do we take these certain drone shots? And there's a part in the video, in the class, that shows composition, rule of thirds, so it's really great for beginners and even more advanced people. I learned a few new things myself, which was great.
Yeah. So if that sounds like something that's up your street and you want to start learning new skills, then definitely check out Skillshare. We'll have a link in the description, and we also have a discount code for you guys that you can use for 1 month free trial, and it's just Roxy and Matt.
Yeah, so you guys can learn some new skills too.
So we're at Willen Lake. Here's mine, Roxy's.
It's been so much fun. We've already like driven it a little bit here, but it is so nice. It's like really, I love the remote as well. It's a new remote from the one we had before, I think. So
Yeah, well, yours is updated, but I've realised, actually it's on my wrist, but the Hadian comes with like a even more like up-to-date remote,
yeah,
doesn't
let's
it?
compare them actually.
It's like a bit, yeah, it's just, I like it's got USB-C charging and stuff.
Yeah, it's got like slightly different buttons.
It's got like a bit more ergonomic, so.
Yeah.
But we've only gone really slow so far, because
there is a lot of people in the park today, so it's kind of hard to just like floor it. So
crowds of people.
Taking it easy.
But yeah, so how are you finding your balance on it then?
Yeah, I mean, considering I haven't used it in like a year, it's pretty good.
Come on then, let's see.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Bye!
Let's see if we can do the 180 without falling out. Oh, you're supposed to turn around.
And emergency brake.
Do you know what I've noticed? Your balance is good,
Yeah.
but with our first time on the boards, both of our balance is way off. Like when we turn, we fall off a little bit.
Yeah, when we turn like a sharp corner, we just can't quite get it right, but
Yeah.
we'll learn.
But U-turns were hard, I remember, but
Yeah.
I think like 20 minutes of practicing turns and stops.
Yeah, no, it's really good.
And the helmet looks good. Suits you
Yeah.
actually.
Thank you. Alright, we're having a go.
Roxy's holding a very expensive and big camera. And
Yeah.
this road's quite bumpy.
It is, but we're doing alright.
Just keep your eyes on the road.
Yeah, I'm
Point the
looking.
camera up a little bit. Yeah.
Oh my god. Gotta get that content, don't we?
Gotta get it, not the drone.
Okay, it's a lot easier to film Matt front on because I can actually see where I'm going. I don't need to look back. But yeah, it's such a nice day. It's so nice here. It's literally like the perfect path for taking the skateboards out.
a clear bit of path.
It's literally so busy here today because obviously it's such a nice day. We don't get them very often in the UK.
I need you on this side actually, it'd be easier. I don't have my ND filter, so...
Yeah, we've got it in and out of shade, so it's not really good for cameras, but
yeah,
gotta make do.
Where do you want to go here? Right, let's go right.
Okay, let's go right. Okay, so we have stopped for a quick pack lunch. We brought some crackers and hummus.
Typical vegan with hummus.
I know, literally. We're trying to eat healthy, so no sweets, we just got fruit and that's about it.
But we've been on these boards for a couple of hours now.
Yeah?
My back left leg hurts a little bit.
Yeah,
just because it's not used to the muscle memory, you know, it's got to relearn it, hasn't it?
Yeah, I remember the first time we ever went on them, my legs, oh my god, they were in so much pain. It was like, the longest we ever went on them was when we went to Barcelona, do you remember?
Oh.
And we were just like weaving in and out through like the town.
Well, we were in the bike lanes, we literally went from the W Hotel all the way to the cathedrals, every monument, everything, didn't we?
And we just like toured the whole of Barcelona on our skateboards, it was amazing.
Yeah, that was cool.
But yeah, we're just gonna have our lunch and we'll see you after. It's very gravelly here where we're like riding right now, but it's actually doing pretty good, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been good on all the terrains.
Yeah.
Probably a bit noisy here.
Yeah.
Maybe we should go across the grass, left. Go left.
Okay. It does pretty good on grass too. Woo! Hang on. For the grass terrain, I do need to change it to fast because on eco
you get stuck in eco, don't you?
Yeah. So if I just put it on fast, I'm fine.
Oh, hold on, I've got a log here. So much leaves there. So yeah, I've been trying out the new modes. I've gone from eco to sport. But I used to be in the fastest mode on the old board. But I went to the next mode up. And in this one it's called Corsa.
Yeah.
And I nearly fell off. I just like did a little acceleration, and there's faster modes than that, so I've got to get used to it.
Yeah, definitely. When you change the mode from the slow one, it really does.
Like I'm in sport, if I just put it in Corsa now. Like,
well, there is a skateboard in the way, hang on.
Oh yeah, slide that away. I'm just not even ready for it.
Jesus!
It's just too...
There's so much speed. Oh my god.
I don't know.
I can tell that's lethal.
You know my finger was down like 10%. Like.
Oh my god. I don't want you to try that mode again.
I'm gonna have to relearn to like do my launch.
Yeah. Alright guys, so we're done with the skateboards now. We're in the car. It is super sunny though, so I don't know if you guys can see anything.
Yeah, the sun is shining in our eyes. So we just got a wrap chick. Which is like Indian burritos.
Oh,
it's the best.
So good. So we're just gonna eat that now. So yeah, conclusion of the vlog. The skateboards are so much fun. Like I had so much fun just going around on them again.
Yeah, I missed like, it's been a few, well it's probably been a year since we've been out on them, so.
Yeah, and I definitely feel like these ones are way better than the previous ones we owned as well.
Yours, mine didn't lose connection once. Yours lost connection whilst riding at one point.
One time, but
the old ones did it like all the time. But they seem to improve the connection issue quite a lot. For sure,
and the remote is a lot better too, so yeah, I'm really, really happy with them.
Yeah, and there's going to be some van updates coming soon, especially now it's warmer.
Yeah, so hopefully. But yeah, we're just going to tuck into this and we'll see you guys in the next one.
Alright, see you guys.
Bye.
Bye.